Lawyers for Jimmy O'Neill Spencer are asking a judge to bar the death penalty as a possible sentence in his upcoming capital murder trial. Spencer is accused of killing 3 people in Guntersville in July of 2018.
His lawyers say he is intellectually disabled and is not eligible for the death penalty. Prosecutors disagree. News 19 Chief Investigative Reporter Brian Lawson joining us now in the studio. Brian, how does an issue like this get decided?
Right. It's a question for the judge, not the jury. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that it is cruel and unusual punishment to execute someone who is intellectually disabled. But figuring that out can be complex. I spoke to Huntsville defense attorney Ron Smith about how the process works. Smith has worked on similar cases, but he's not representing Spencer. Jimmy O'Neill Spencer is accused of killing 3 people, 7-year-old Colton Lee, his grandmother Marie Martin, and her neighbor Martha Relaford. His lawyers say he's intellectually disabled.
There's a 3-part test, and one is an IQ score of 70 or below. The next is that you have significant adaptive functioning deficits, and that's just daily living skills. The last one is that these issues had to have manifested themselves prior to your 18th birthday.
Prosecutors say Spencer had an 80 IQ score when he entered prison, had worked in a body shop, had a girlfriend, and his school records were lost in a fire. The defense says Spencer's IQ scores are very low, he can't read or write, and he failed multiple grades in school.
You can still be convicted. It's not a not guilty by reason of insanity, anything like that. All it does is deal solely with punishment.
A hearing is expected before his October trial. The question will be decided on the preponderance of the evidence, and the stakes are enormous.
Because if he is intellectually disabled, he's not qualified or eligible to be executed.
Now, prosecutors told the court Spencer has the ability to fake his test responses. They also told the court Spencer refused to take an IQ test from the state's expert, and that refusal should bar his intellectual disability claim. Jerry?